Hello friends, let's crochet together a granny square by this pattern. We start from a magic loop and make 3 chains. 1, 2, 3. Then we make 11 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Pull the thread and make a slip stitch in the 3rd chain. Then we take another thread and change the color. We make 3 chains and 2 triple crochets in this loop. One, 2. Then we make 3 chains and a slip stitch in the 1st chain. And then in the next loop we make 2 triple crochets, 1, 2, 3 chains and a slip stitch in the same loop. Then we make a chain in the 2nd loop. We make a slip stitch, 3 chains, 2 triple crochets, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3 chains, a slip stitch in the 1st chain. In the next loop, 2 triple crochets, 3 chains, a slip stitch in the same loop, a chain in the 2nd loop, a slip stitch, and we continue in the same way. In the end of the round we make a chain and a slip stitch in the 1st loop. Pull the thread take it to the opposite side, make a chain and cut it. And we have a small flower. Then we start another round from this place, this little arch from 3 chains. We make a chain, 1 chain more, and in this arch we make a single crochet. Then we make 5 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and a triple crochet in this loop. One, 2, 3. Then we make 5 chains, a single crochet in the arch, a chain and a single crochet in the same arch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 chains, a triple crochet in this loop, 1, 2, 3, 5 chains, 3, 4, 5, a single crochet in the arch, a chain and another 1 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, a triple crochet, one, 2, 3, 4, 5, a single crochet in the arch, a chain and a single crochet in the same arch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, a triple crochet, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and then we make half double crochet in this loop. Like this. Then we change the color and continue the next round. We make a chain and then we make 5 chains more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then in this loop we make a single crochet, 1, 2, 3 chains and another 1 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 chains, a single crochet in this big arch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 chains, a single crochet in the same arch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, a single crochet in the next arch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, a single crochet in the same arch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In this loop we make a single crochet, 1, 2, 3 chains, and another one single crochet. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. A single crochet in the big arch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A single crochet in the same arch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A single crochet in the next arch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A single crochet in the same arch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A single crochet in this loop. 1, 2, 3. A single crochet in the same loop. And we continue to crochet this round in the same way. And in the end of this round we make 2 chains and a double crochet in the first loop, like this. And we have to make one more round. We make a chain as a single crochet, another chain, and a single crochet in the next arch. A chain, then we make in the corner a double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4 chains, and another double crochet in the corner. 1 chain, 1 single crochet in the arch. Again, 1 chain, 1 single crochet in the next arch. 1 chain, 1 single crochet, a chain, a single crochet in the next arch, a chain, a single crochet, a chain, and we make the corner. A double crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, and another double crochet in the same arch. A chain, a single crochet in the next arch, a chain, a single crochet, a chain, another single crochet, and continue in the same way. In the end of the round, we make a slip stitch in the first chain, like this. Then pull the thread to the opposite side, make a chain, and cut the thread. And then we hide the threads with the needle. When all the threads are fixed, we cut the rest of the ends, and our square is ready. Thank you for attention and have a nice day.